I'm going to be spraying all the carpet with this probably anyway, but the best way to do it without a moisture meter is we would have to shut the blinds, shut all the lights off, and we'd probably have to hang up blankets on the windows. Tons of time, because if you're trying to look for it without a moisture meter, like I said, you've got to try to blacken the room so you can use a black light, because you've got to have it really dark for a black light. And then if you don't even use a black light because you're trying to work in the day like this, you're going to save product and time, because you don't have to saturate the entire carpet. You just saturate those areas that you find with the moisture meter. There's no reason to waste product and time on the areas that don't even have any urine or any kind of mess on them. I also have a fireplace, and I can use it on my wood to make sure that the wood's dry enough to burn. I mean, it's got so many uses for it that it's nice to have. I had it for a little while and didn't even know that it would have worked for me for my job in carpet cleaning. I was just using it for building material and my firewood, and then I realized that it had enough of a depth to it, that 3/4 inch depth, to where I can find moisture in carpet where it's been sitting for a long time. So before that, all I used was a black light, and it's such a pain in the butt, because most people don't want you at their house at 10 o'clock at night when it's dark to use a black light on their carpet. So this way I'm able to find it without having to, run into their house at bad times of the night, or trying to make a room dark in the middle of the day.